Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching my video right now, according to your time factor. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across my video or this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend, with your family through Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, any kind of social media you are using. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. In this video, I want to teach you how to use just two eggs to hide your destiny from evil people. Because that's what they first find out before they start attack. Once they see you have a good future, they will start the attacking, and the more they win you, the more they get rank. Just unlike when military win a battle, they will rank in. I think you understand this. Egg is very powerful and can be used for many things. For love, protection, purification, cleansing, causing hexing, deliverance, prosperity, abundance, power, etc. If evil people are disturbing you too much, have it in mind that you carry a valuable destiny. And if you don't fight for your right in order to use your destiny by yourself, that people will just use your destiny to get more rank. So that's why I always said, never relent. Hundreds of videos on YouTube explaining how to use eggs for cleansing, but you don't take it as a serious thing because it's so simple to get. Anyway, I don't want to talk much about that, but it's advisable to cleanse yourself with egg at least once in a week. Yes, once in a week. It's very simple to do. I have a video explaining how to do it on this channel. You can check it out. I want to quickly explain and let you understand how powerful egg is. In olden days, and even some people are still doing it till now, because I can remember we learned this what I want to explain in one subject when I was in secondary school. Do you know they are using egg to hide pregnancy from a woman? Yes, the pregnancy will not show on the woman body until the day of delivery. God is wonderful. People are doing this with a different reason. Yes, if evil people always make a woman to miscarriage, or if the pregnancy is a shame to the woman with many reasons. But I'm not here to treat that, but just let you know how powerful egg is. I think you understand this and you grab. So now this is what I want to teach you, and the place you need to listen carefully to understand how to do this. Get yourself two eggs. You will use one egg to cleanse your energy center, which are called chakra, as demonstrated in this picture shows. I think you can see this picture on the screen. Now, rub the middle of your head and bring it straight down your forehead all the way to your feet. Start again from your crown chakra all the way to your root chakra, that is feet, and repeat for the last time. That means you are going to do it for 3 times. So you can see this, you can see it on the picture, which is you are going to start from crown chakra, which is from head, but it's supposed to be in middle, go down to your toe. So you don't need to use the egg to rub your head like maybe you are betting or something like that. No, this is how to do this. We are going to use it the way you see it on the screen. use the egg to touch your middle your middle body like this, and then go up again. Do it 3 times. Now, while you do this, you are saying all the things you are getting rid of from your life. I mean, you have to pray what you don't want in your life, maybe promise and fail, hatred, something like that. You are going to pray. So go out and break this egg, and don't look back while you return home. Now you have done with the first egg. I mean, you don't need to go to maybe T junction before you can break the egg. You can just go to your backyard and break the egg. Then once you break it, just turn back and enter your home to perform the second egg. So the second egg you are going to use to hide your destiny. This is the main point. Boil the egg with one of rain water, coconut water, or full moon water. I mean, any one of the water. You are going to get one. If you don't get rain water, get coconut water. If you don't get coconut water, get full moon water. But I think coconut water and the rain water is easy to get, because you may not understand how to prepare the full moon water. But I have a video explaining how to charge your items with the full moon. So when any one of the water is ready, use it to cook the egg. When the egg is done, relax, let the egg cool down. Yes, let the egg cool down. You are going to hold the egg like this and says, no one can tell the gender of an unhatched egg except God. Therefore, you hide your destiny from physical and spiritual vampire. Peel the egg and eat it. That is all. Yes, the word is very strong. The word of no one can tell the gender of an unhatched egg except God is a strong word. Yes, it's a strong word. I will paste these small prayer points on the description box so that you can read it there and understand it more better. Please don't look down on this simple work. Yes, it may look simple to you. It does many things other than the hidden destiny I explained on this video. Yes, it does many things. You can do this for your children, and then I don't said maybe you have 2 children, you are going to use just 2 eggs for them. Use 1 egg to cleanse the two children, and use 1 egg and boil 1 egg to pray for them. No, use the 2 egg for each person. If you have 2 children, definitely you are going to get 4 eggs, and then I think our egg is very cheap and easy to get. That's what you need. God is powerful. This is not evil thing, but in your own view, if it's against your religion, I don't ask you or beg you to do it. We all serve God and have different way to talk to our God. I will not say more than this. So if you don't understand anything regarding this video, please ask the question. I will answer you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, if this is the first time you came across my video or this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your family, with your friend through Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, any kind of social media you are using. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload useful video like this. Thank you so much. May God bless all of us and answer our prayer. Amen. Don't relent.